Hey guys, this is Weapon X here, James Waring. We ain't going through all that intro crap. This is just a quick update of what I had going on my bench. I finally finished my Chaos Marines. All shall bow before chaos. Thank you. Later. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
That is me. The dead are rolling over. In this hole, thickening, dirt shoveled over shoulders.